Today I stepped into a place that felt like a friendly spaceship had taken me backstage of the universe. Welcome to the Tehran Science and Astronomy Center, where you can almost touch the stars, well, in your imagination at least, weigh yourself on Mars, and blow your mind with crazy physics experiments. In the Galaxy Hall, where the ceiling sparkles like a starry sky, you'll learn how to hunt for constellations or make friends with planets. The Physics Hall is where lasers dance and pendulums reveal the secrets of time. Even gravity likes to joke around here sometimes. If you see your weight skyrocket on Jupiter's scale in the weight room, don't panic, it's just gravity's little fantasy. You'll meet the statue of Razi, the Persian scientist who discovered alcohol, in the Chemistry Hall. His smile seems to drip with scientific secrets. At the observatory, giant telescope eyes stare deep into space. You might even spot my home planet. And if you're lucky, the moon might wink at you. Grown-ups always say, science is important, but why do they follow daily news more than they follow the stars? What if we watched constellations instead of TV shows every night? Would our hearts feel lighter? Or maybe science is just like a story, we only need to read it with curious eyes.